Welcome back. In today, we'll continue with the punctuation mark. Remember, we've treated 8 of them. So today's topic, we will be talking about the ninth punctuation mark, which is brackets. In Igbo, we call it akara ngudo, akara ngudo, or akara mgbodo, akara mgbodo. In Igbo, there is what we call key, mgbo. Some people call it mgbo. Means something that you use to lock. So I believe that is where they derive this name for this bracket. Bracket is as if it's locking something inside a sentence. So that I know that is where they coined out this name from, mgbodo or ngudo. Ngudo, something to join something. So bracket in Igbo is called Akaramgbodo or Akaramgbodo. There are so many ways that we also make use of bracket. We don't make use of it in one way. It depends on how it falls in a sentence. First is a punctuation mark used in a pair. We know that this punctuation mark is used in a pair. It is used to separate information in a particular sentence. It is used to separate information from a particular sentence. Maybe in that sentence, the first information before the bracket might be confusing. You might see it as a confused sentence, but until that bracket is included, when you now open the bracket to read what is inside the bracket, you can now use it to relate what the person was trying to say from the whole sentence. Example, let me say it in Igbo. Akaramgbodo a Akaramgbodo bụ akara edemede nke na-egosi okwu abụọ bụ otu ihe. It shows that two words or two sentences or two or more words, these two sentences that you are saying in one particular sentence, they are the same thing. They are talking about the same topic. N'ebe ọbụla e nwere ọnọdụ dị otu a na-eji akara mgbodo ekpuchi okwu nke ikpeazụ n'ihi na okwu nke mbụ akọwaala ihe ọ na-ekwu maka ya. The first sentence have already explained what that one in bracket is talking about. That is what this definition is telling you to. Example, Adaku kwụ n'elu dị ime. That means in this particular place, okay, in English, the Adaku that is standing upstairs is pregnant. That means in this particular vicinity, they have so many Adaku. And while you explaining to somebody the Adaku that is standing upstairs, what happened to the Adaku that is standing upstairs? You now went further to explain he's pregnant. Okay, that is how you will know the connection of the one in the bracket to the one before the bracket. Another example, ụgbọala ahụ gwongworo bụ ibu nke ukwuu. That truck, which the name is gwongworo, because here in Igbo language, they did not define it this way. I'm the one defining it this way for you in English language. So let me translate what I just read. Ụgbọala ahụ gwongworo, that truck, gwongworo, buru ibu nke ukwuu, is too big. That truck, gwongworo, is too big. That means there are so many other trucks that you also know. And that person wants specifically for you to understand that the truck that he or she is talking about is gwongworo. There is a name of a truck we call gwongworo. I don't know why they call it gwongworo. So that truck is called gwongworo. So this person is trying to explain that the truck called gwongworo is too big. I know you understood what I just said. The second way that we make use of bracket is bracket are also used to cover different numbers. They are also used to cover different numbers, no matter the number, Roman numeral, alphabet, normal figure that we know. You know, when we are writing in a sentence and we want to list some things, or we want to say or point some things, we like to use numbers or numerals or alphabet. When you want to make use of this, you must use brackets to open and close. You open, you write the number, either alphabet or normal numeral or normal figure, and you close it. Roman numeral must be used, a bracket must be used while using normal Roman numeral for listing, or alphabet, or the normal figure that we know. Another way that we make use of brackets. Brackets are used, I did not say the second one in Igbo. The second way that we make use of this bracket in Igbo. A na-eji akara mgbodo were ekpuchi nọmba dị iche iche. We use it to cover different numbers, which I listed the examples in Roman numeral, mkpụrụ Roman number, mkpụrụ edemede ABD, which is the Igbo alphabet when you are using it to list. And another way that we also make use of brackets, brackets are used to cover a word written in English. In Igbo language, you are using Igbo language to write. Any other language that you are bringing into that writing that you are doing, you must use brackets. You are using English language to write and you want to bring in a foreign language, you are meant to use a bracket. So I'm telling you based on Igbo language. In Igbo language, for the fact you are writing with Igbo language and you are bringing in English language, you must use brackets. Remember the punctuation marks that we've been talking. We will talk Akarakpom, we open a bracket and write full stop. That is the example of what I'm trying to say. Example, Nsupe, you write spelling. Nsupe is Igbo, spelling is English. They are the same meaning. But you just want to tell someone that this Nsupe is also spelling, in case if you don't know. So if you are writing in Igbo language and you want to bring in a foreign language to that particular Igbo language writing, you must use a bracket. All this punctuation mark I've been telling you, I use the bracket to explain, to write the English name. If I write pom pom, I will use bracket to write what it is in English language. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do share, subscribe, and like. Give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next videos. Kodidalu.